Hello students, today in Mathematics Part 1 we will begin with Chapter 3 Polynomials. Let us study Introduction to Polynomials, Degree of a Polynomial and solve practice set 3.1. Let us recall the definition of a variable. A variable is a quantity that may change within the context of a mathematical problem. Typically, we use a single letter to represent a variable. The letters X, Y, and Z are common symbols used for variables. For example, 4x square plus 2x minus 5. Here we have used the variable x. Definition of a term. A term is either a single number or a variable or numbers and variables multiplied together. For example, 4x square. An algebraic expression is a group of terms. The terms are separated by operators, that is plus or minus sign. P cube minus half p square plus p, m square plus 2n cube minus root 3 m raised to 5 and 6 are all algebraic expressions. In all algebraic expressions given above, the powers of the variable are positive integers or 0, that is, they are whole numbers. In an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then the algebraic expression is known as a polynomial. 6 is also a polynomial. 6, minus 7, half, 0, root 3, etc. are constant numbers and therefore they are called constant polynomials. 0 is also a constant polynomial. Types of polynomials based on the number of terms. There are three types of polynomials: monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Monomial has only a single term and examples are 2x of 5. Binomial has two terms. Examples: x raised to 4 plus x and m square minus 3m. Trinomial has three terms. Examples: half y square minus 2y plus 5 or x cube minus root 3x square plus 5x. Polynomials are written as p of x or q of m or r of y according to the variable used. For example, p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Q of m is equal to m square plus half m minus 7 and r of y is equal to y square plus 5. In the polynomial 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9, the highest power of the variable is 7. In case of a polynomial in one variable, the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial 10 is equal to 10 into 1, that is equal to 10 into x raised to 0. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial 10 is 0. Just like 10, the degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0. The degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of a polynomial in more than one variable. The highest sum of the powers of variables in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. For example, 3m cubed n raised to 6 plus 7m square n cubed minus mn is a polynomial in two variables m and n. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 9. As the sum of the powers of the first term is 9, 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. Of the second term it is 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5, and of the third term it is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 9. Types of polynomial based on degree. Polynomial in one variable. First is linear polynomial. The degree is 1. Example: 3x minus 1 or 7y. The standard form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. The quadratic polynomial is of degree 2. Example: 2y square plus y plus 1 or minus 3x square. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial is of degree 3. Example: x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3 or m minus m cube. The standard form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. The general form of a polynomial is written as an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus etc. plus a2 x raised to 2 plus a1 x plus a0. This is a polynomial in x with degree n. an minus 1 etc. a2 a1 a0 are the coefficients and an is not equal to 0. Now let us learn the standard form, the coefficient form and the index form of a polynomial. Consider a polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 3x square plus 5 plus x raised to 4. This is a polynomial in x which is written in the descending powers of its variable as x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This is called the standard form of the polynomial. But in this polynomial there is no term having power 3 of the variable x. So we can write it as 0x cube. It can be added to the polynomial and it can be rewritten as x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 5. This form of the polynomial is called the index form of the polynomial. One can write the coefficients of the variables by considering all the missing terms in the standard form of the polynomial. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 0x minus 8 can be written in the coefficient form as 1 comma minus 3 comma 0 comma minus 8 within brackets. This form of the polynomial is called coefficient form. The polynomial 4 comma 0 comma minus 5 comma 0 comma 1 within brackets can be written by using variable y as 4y raised to 4 plus 0y cube minus 5y square plus 0y plus 1. This form is called the index form of the polynomial. Let us solve practice set 3.1. Question number 1. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials and justify. The first one, y plus 1 upon y, that is equal to y plus y raised to minus 1, which is not a polynomial because the power of y is a negative integer. Second, 2 minus 5 root x. It is written as 2 minus 5 x raised to half, which is not a polynomial because the power of x is not a whole number. Fourth, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5 is also not a polynomial because the power of x is a negative integer. Third, x square plus 7x plus 9 and fifth, that is 10, are polynomials. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomial. Answer for the first, m cube. The coefficient of m cube is 1. And for the second, minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus root 3 m cube. The coefficient of m cube is minus root 3. Question number 3. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. Monomial with degree 7. Monomial with degree 7 can be written as x raised to 7. Second, binomial with degree 35. This can be written as x raised to 35 minus 18. Third, trinomial with degree 8. This can be written as x raised to 8 plus 3x plus 24. Question number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomials. The first, root 5. The degree of the polynomial root 5 is 0 since root 5 is a constant term. Sixth, 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. The degree is 5. Seventh, xyz plus xy minus z. The degree is 3. And in eighth, m cube n raised to 7 minus 3 m raised to 5 into n plus m into n. The degree is 10. Because in the first term, the power of m is 3 and the power of n is 7. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Question number 5. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Answer: the second 5p and the third root 2y minus half are linear polynomials. The first 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and the fifth a square are quadratic polynomials, and the fourth m cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2m minus root 7, and the sixth 3r cube are cubic polynomials. Question number 6. Write the following polynomials in standard form. The standard form of a polynomial is written in the descending order of their power. First, m cube plus 3 plus 5m. The standard form is m cube plus 5m plus 3. The second, minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus half plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. The standard form is y raised to 5 plus 2y raised to 4 plus 3y cube minus y square minus 7y minus half. Question number 7. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. The first, x cube minus 2. This can be written as x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 2, which is the index form. Therefore, the coefficient form is 1, 0, 0, minus 2 within brackets. The second, 5i is equal to 5i plus 0. Therefore, the coefficient form is 5, 0. Question number 8. Write the polynomials in index form. The first, 1, 2, 3. Here the number of coefficients is equal to 3. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 3 minus 1, and that is equal to 2. Therefore, the index form is x square plus 2x plus 3.